TikTok is the biggest video platform on the planet right now, and if you're not on it, you're missing out on the best For You feed in the game. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it set up on your phone in under 2 minutes. Whether you're an iPhone or Android, stick around until the end because I'll show you the one setting you need to change immediately to start seeing the content you actually like. Before you dive in, if this helps you out, hit the subscribe button if it really helps the channel. Now, if you're an iPhone, look for the blue App Store icon. Can't find it, just swipe down on your home screen and tap App Store. Once you've opened your store, tap the search tab, type in TikTok, and hit search. You see the black and white music note icon. Tap Get or Install. Pro tip. Even though TikTok is 100% free, your phone might ask you for your Face ID or password just to confirm the download. Don't worry, you aren't being charged. Once the progress circle finishes, hit open. The first thing TikTok will do is ask you for your interests. Don't just skip everything. Choosing a few topics like cooking, gaming, or comedy helps algorithm learn your personality way faster. Now, to get the full experience, you want to create an account. You can use an email or a phone number, but the fastest way is just to link your Google or Facebook account. It takes one tap and you're in. Now here's that tip I promised. To make your For You page perfect, don't just scroll past the videos you hate. Long press on a video you don't like and hit not interested. This trains TikTok to stop showing you boring stuff and only show you the viral trends you're actually enjoying. That's it, you're ready to start scrolling. Ever wonder how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone? Check out this video now.